Hey there, so today I'm going to show you what's in my April 2018 box from Elle Studio, and I'm going to start out with the monthly kit. I always love opening this box. It's one of the best parts of my entire month, and it's really hard to wait so long to share it with you guys. So first we have a sheet of die cuts here, and I'm going to find the other sheet of die cuts so that I can show you that one. I love that these kits are organized so nicely in here. Here we go. Okay, so we have lots of circles in this one and some blank labels, which are always so great to use on layouts. This one has the great all the details journaling tag, some little flowers, I heart you, you are the best, the day is yours, which I love. And then here are the 4" by 6" tags. I love the green floral, and this is one of my favorites this month. And then this one would be great for a daily recording, the schedule of each hour of the day. Here are the 3" by 4" tags. You can see the fantastic colors this month. I love that Go See Do. Arrows and the pretty cerulean blue, a fun speech bubble, and then we have the ever so popular teal. That's a fill-in, kind of filler tag there. A nice observations journaling tag. Here's a nice springy one, if you guys are seeing any signs of spring where you are. Everyday happiness, the yellow ones are always my favorite, and I love that here and there. Here's another yellow one that I love. Just a regular ledger. A red and pink floral. This one has a rainbow effect. The yay or nay. It's a nice one with a label, and the top 3 highlights. So there are all the kit elements. Now let's go to the add-ons. These are the April labels, and you can see they just have the space here for the date and notes in various colors. These are the banner stickers, lots of different colors here, some of them just patterned, some of them with sayings on them, and then the everyday goodness stickers on the left there. Again, great patterns, various thicknesses and widths, which I love. Now, yellow puffy alphabet stickers. I've been so excited about those to come out because I use a lot of yellow. These are the adventure puffy stickers. These coordinate so perfectly with the kit this month. I love that exploring word. They're all about adventure and exploring, but you can use them for so many different types of projects. These are the new vellum sentiments, and the colors coordinate with the kit this month. This one's a bit hard to see because it's white, but it's work hard, play hard. Follow your heart. Let's go exploring because we have an adventure theme going here, and good times together. So they're a bit tricky to get up, but those are really great to add to a layout, and they're sized perfectly for a 3" by 4" pocket as well. Next we have the currently wood veneer tabs. These have different patterns on them, like polka dots and stripes. Some of them are plain. These are really great for documenting what's happening in your life right now, or your kid's life, or your spouse's life, anything you want to document. Acrylic stars in a variety of colors from this month's kit. The Adventure acrylic, perfect for a title. The Currently stamp, how awesome is this? I love the blanks on the left there for filling in. Around here, you can put the date there. It's just really fantastic. And then probably the most exciting thing, the mini dated stamp set. Look at all these really cool ways in which you can add the date to your projects, and because it's small, you can fit it in a lot more places. Okay, so be sure to check out this month's kit via the link in my video notes. Once this kit is gone, friends, it's gone. So this one is perfect for your layouts, your pocket pages, anything you wish to create. We also have all of these amazing add-ons this month that you'll want to use to create with your kit. So be sure to check out the links in my video notes. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating!